Hello everyone. Welcome to SL Oneplace YouTube channel. This is lesson 2 in creating graphical user interface with Python programming language video series. So we talked in the last video how to create GUI form, change our GUI form title, create a label widget, create a button widget. So if you do not watch lesson 1 yet, go to my YouTube channel. Watch now. Alright. Today we will talk how to change width and height our GUI form, remove resizable width and height, create TextBox widget, create CheckBox widget, create radio button widget. Okay, let us start. First, let us see how to change width and height our GUI form. Don't think about these codes, because we talked in the last video. Write win.min size and give width and height you need. Now look at S changed. Okay, next one is remove resizable width and height. It tests very easy. Type win.resizable and give 00. Look, we can resize again. Create TextBox widget. Create new variable and give any name you want. Look. Okay, nice. Create CheckBox widget. Create new variable and give any name you want. C. Create radio button widget. Okay, we add more widget our GUI form. Next video we will talk how to add more widget in our GUI form.